by the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you man and wife.
Have I told you today that I love you?
Siguro in one night, mga 100 times na.
O, gawin na natin 101. I love you.
Natatakot akong mawala ka sa akin.
Hindi mangyayari yun.
Bukod sa mga nurses, ang pinaka-in-demand sa Amerika, teachers. Pupuntahan ko yung ate ko doon.
Kailangan mo nang magpunta dito sa Amerika kaagad-agad.
Julia! Ate!
Found the answers to my questions in your eyes.
Kanina pa yung tingin ng tingin sa atin.
Can I have your number? Ganyan ka ba talaga?
Ano? Spontaneous, out of the box, free-spirited.
Exciting. Sasama na ako sa'yo. Kahit saan pa tayo makarating. My life is boring without you.
Changes that no one really knows.
Alam mo, being alone in a foreign land, nakakasira ng ulo.
How do you do it?
For Julia.
Even though the winds of time will change.
I'm so proud of my ate.
Kung meron kang gusto, pero alam mo para makuha mong gusto mo, ay merong masasaktan. Do you follow your heart's desire?
Kailangan natin ng pera. Kailangan mong makisama. Ano na lang mangyayari sa'yo dito? Resign ka ng resign dahil ayaw mo trabaho?
Puro ka na ng pera eh!
Stop! Stop it!
O magsasakripisyo ka,
Lagi kong pipiliin kung anong tama.
kahit alam mong hindi ka magiging masaya.
I can see the reasons why our love's alive.
Ayoko mawala siya sa akin. I'll die if that happens.
We're drifting safely back to shore.
Hindi ko na kaya itong pagsisinungaling natin.
Wala kang sasabihin dahil tapos na tayo.
Shara! Shara!
Masakit?
See the reasons why our love's so alive.
Please. Please, what? Forget that you had sex with him?
We're drifting
Mas
safely
magaling ka pa.
back to shore.
How could you do this? Ang baboy niyo! Julia, I'm sorry. How could you?
Shut up! Shut up, both of you!
No, you shut up!
Viva Films and GMA Films bring you a compelling drama that will take you on a real journey of love. Starring three of Philippine cinema's best:
Don't you know that love's just like a thread?
Claudine Barreto
Ngayon, alam ko na ang pakiramdam ng maging masaya.
and Curtis,
Alam ko na rin ang hirap na maging malungkot.
and Richard Gutierrez. In a film by Mac Alejandre,
I can see
is the pain of love worth the joy love brings? In Your Eyes. In theaters, August 18,